Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade donuts, Preppy kitchen style. We'll begin by preparing our workspace and gathering all the necessary ingredients. Make sure you have your flour, sugar, yeast, and milk ready. You'll also need butter, eggs, salt, and vanilla extract for the dough. For that perfect finish, have powdered sugar, milk, and a touch of vanilla on hand for the glaze. Having everything measured and ready makes the process so much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get to the heart of our donuts, the dough. First, gently warm your whole milk to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, combine your active dry yeast with this warm milk and a pinch of sugar, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes until foamy. In a separate bowl, mix your dry ingredients. Finally, incorporate the wet ingredients, including your melted butter and eggs, into the dry mixture. Knead this dough for a good 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This ensures a perfect texture. With our dough ready, it's time for the magic of proofing and shaping. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it has beautifully doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Roll it out to a consistent thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to cut out your shapes and holes. Place these on parchment-lined baking sheets for second, shorter proof. This second rise is essential for fluffy donuts. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, frying and glazing. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry your donuts, 2 or 3 at a time, for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. Transfer them to a wire rack over paper towels to drain excess oil. While warm, whisk powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla for a smooth glaze. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring full coverage, then let them set. Enjoy your delicious Preppy kitchen donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.